Hey, good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying your holidays. This is Poonam Avasthi, your SST teacher. Today in this class, beta, we are going to revise chapter The Ideals of Our Constitution. Okay. In this chapter, we are basically going to concentrate on the topics of constitution and preamble, after that fundamental rights and duties, and we will also take up a brief of human rights. Okay, so here we go. In this chapter, Ideals of our Constitution, we have studied that the Constitution defines the vital and core framework of a country. It also contains the national goals which form the foundation of a country. And we studied a constitution is an important document. It is a set of basic rules by which a country is governed. Our constitution is one of the lengthiest and the most detailed in the world. It can be changed and modified. Yes, we studied or not according to the needs of the time, but through a procedure known as amendment. Then we studied about preamble. The preamble which states the aims and objectives of our constitution. Every government must keep these in mind while making laws. And under this we have studied some important goals given in the preamble of our constitution, that are sovereignty, socialism, secularism and democracy. And very important, our constitution guarantees 6 fundamental rights that we studied. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. And after that we studied our constitution, that our constitution also lists the fundamental duties which all citizens must perform. Yes or no? So we studied that we all must realize that the feeling of responsibility towards all these duties ultimately will help to strengthen our democracy and lead our country towards progress and prosperity. Yes or no? After that, human rights. So human rights refer to the right of every person to live a dignified life without facing any discrimination on the basis of religion, gender, caste, race or country. And every individual gets human rights from birth. Neither the government nor any organization or individual has the authority to take away these rights. And these basic rights to which all humans are entitled, these rights are considered, essential for maintaining the dignity of humans and protecting them from injustice and cruelty. The constitutions of all countries have been influenced by the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948 by the United Nations. United Nations, which is an international organization that aims to maintain international peace and security. Few of the important human rights which are added, like right to live, freedom of thought, expression and religion, right to acquire nationality, right of protection against arrest and detention, right to education. So basically on 10 December 1948, the United Nations proclaimed the Declaration of Human Rights and led the foundation of these rights. So all member countries under this organization are expected to give these rights to their people. Some of the voluntary organizations came up, such as Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch. They all have been set up across the world to nurture human rights and also to protect and preserve them. In India also, NHRC, National Human Rights Commission, was established to protect human rights. Like every constitution, this human rights, here also many of the articles are added to give these human rights to the people. This is it for today. So what we have seen in this recap video: constitution, preamble, fundamental rights and duties, and we have seen brief of human rights. Okay, So in the next class, in the next revision video, we will be doing FAQs of this lesson. After that, this lesson will be completed with revisions also. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.